Hi everybody. Today we are going to be replacing the throttle body on our van. It is a 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan. It's got the 3.6 liter. Pretty much what it's doing is it's when you go to start it, it's giving you the little red lightning emblem, and you'll notice that on your dash as soon as you go to start it. Turn it to on, all the lights will come on, and then once they go off, you'll notice the red lightning bolt is still on. This indicates you're having issues with your throttle body, and that does need to be replaced. Here's the engine that we will be working on. Like I said, it's a 3.6 liter. But the first thing that you want to do always with anytime you're working on any vehicles is disconnect your battery first. I've already loosened up these terminals. So main one you just got to worry about is taking off your positive, but me, the way I am, I would like to be double safe. Just disconnect the battery altogether. And to get down to the throttle body, it's easiest just to remove this plastic shield pretty much, and it's just being held on by which you'll notice when as soon as I pop this off, because that's as easy as it is being held on by four like little rubber grommets, and you'll see one here, should be one in the back and one right here, but it pops off just that easy. If you look underneath, these are the rubber grommets that I was talking about, and they attach to these nipples right here. Okay, and this right here is the throttle body. This is what we're going to be removing. Okay, so we'll set this to the side, and the main thing that we're going to be going after is like I said, is the throttle body. And so we have to remove this casing back here. We have to remove the air breather just to make it easier to get to, and then it's just as easy as popping a couple of wires off and replacing it. It's really just that easy. But we'll get to it. Let me go ahead and I'll take this off. I'm working with one hand, so I'll show you after I get done with it. Okay, so when you have the when you have this first part of the breather off, when you get to right here, okay, don't feel discouraged or anything. Just there'd be a pin right here, okay, and this pin, as you see, I've already pulled it out. You pull it up, okay, and it'll move this whole thing. It won't be that easy because I've already disconnected it. And you just move it around, okay, and it'll pop off, and it'll pop off right here at the throttle body. Okay, so next thing you want to do after that, just want to disconnect your lines. Okay, and this one right here, you push this up to unlock it, push it in, and take it out. Okay, and this right here, yeah, it's there to hold the wiring harness onto that. So we can move this out. there's the throttle body right here. Okay, and it's just honestly just as simple as taking out these 4 bolts right here. You should have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so what we'll do is, let me get the oh, yeah, I can already tell that on the opposite side is just going to be trashed. So I'm going to go ahead and look at my handy dandy toolbox. Let me get the right size and we'll get started taking that bad boy off.